Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital notes online. First, let's talk about finding your niche. It's crucial to identify a specific subject area where your expertise shines, like advanced calculus or historical events. Understanding your target audience, perhaps college students or professionals, helps tailor your content. This focused approach ensures your notes are highly relevant and valuable, setting you up for success from day one. Now, let's discuss creating top-notch digital notes. Quality is key. Your notes should be incredibly well organized, perhaps using a consistent structure across all documents. Incorporate clear headings, bullet points, and even simple diagrams to enhance readability. Always proofread your work multiple times to catch any typos or factual errors. High-quality content builds trust and encourages repeat purchases from your customers. Next, selecting the right platform and setting your prices are vital steps. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad offer easy setup, or you might prefer building your own website for more control. When pricing, research similar products to stay competitive, perhaps starting with a few dollars per document. Consider offering bundles, like 5 notes for the price of 4, or even a monthly subscription for ongoing access to new content. Finally, let's talk about getting your amazing notes seen. Social media is a powerful tool. Share snippets and testimonials on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, by using relevant keywords in your product descriptions. Actively engage with your audience, respond to comments, and ask for feedback. This helps build a community and continuously improve your offerings, driving more sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.